Hello everyone, welcome to RC Driven. My name is David and today we're gonna upgrade the last thing on this car. There's one thing this car is missing, and that's what we're gonna work on today, which is the motor plate, the rear motor plate, pink rear motor plate. This is a drag slash. This is my wife's drag slash, so I, little by little upgraded it. First thing I did was change the body. I put a Supra body on there, put a pink, painted the spoiler pink, put a pink stripe over it, and yeah, it's not really the best paint job, but I mean, I think it turned out all right. I mean, there's areas that I need to mask a bit better, but other than that, I think it came out decent. I mean, as you can tell, it still looks good. I think this thing was on its lid maybe once, but not a bad crash. I think it flipped over in the grass or something. But other than that, she's been pretty good with it. She's driven it a handful of times. She's not really serious about actually racing. She just comes out there to have fun with me. So we're gonna swap over this pink. But before we do that, I'm just gonna quickly go over what has been upgraded already. So let me just take out these wheels. So in the rear, I have the wheelie bar pink. The bearing carrier in the rear, this is also pink, and also the pink shocks. For the rear. In the front, I have the bearing carrier, the steering block are both pink, and also the bell crank is also a pink bell crank in there. And I've also included the pink front shocks. So as you can tell, the theme here is black and pink. So I've blacked everything else out. The arms, everything is blacked out except for, the pink parts. So now we're gonna install this. Just taking the wheel off to make it easier to access, really. There we go. So in order to do this, I have to take off the slipper clutch. There's one long bolt here, just remove that, or nut I should say. Oh, I really tightened this thing. There we go. We have that off. Slipper clutch is off. Just once you have that off, you just remove the two screws that hold the motor, and then the rest of the screws to remove the plate. And this should come right up. There we go. So you just have to take out this one. They're like, what, 4 screws? All the holes with the countersunk, which these two here, 1, 2, 3, 4 holes you remove, and this plate is out. That's a very easy job. When you slide it in, you slide it with the name facing away from you. So when you put that in, I said the name is facing, I guess, well, the name is facing me now. So you slide it in that way. And then you put the screws back in. Same screws you took out, put them right back. So look how that turned out. Yeah, I'm not gonna put this cover back on. I'm gonna leave it open because I think the pink actually pops. So I'm gonna leave that alone. So now we put the slipper clutch back on. If you've not done something before and you're not sure you can put it back together, take pictures. As each step, take pictures so you know. That's one of the best ways you're gonna learn, is by taking the picture, so that when you put it back together, you can refer back to your pictures and know how to put things back together. And we're done. So that's pretty much it. Now we'll just put the tires back on. So this is done. That was the last thing this car was missing. Like I said, it's still stock gearing, just to get her used to the speed, and as she gets more and more comfortable, I'll gear it up. Maybe I'll switch it to the 29. Little by little, as Traxxas released the pink parts, I started putting them in on this car. Yes, because initially I had red on there. Initially this car was black and red, and I wanted something different for her, something that I don't have, something that she could look at it and know it's hers, rather than having another pink, red and black car, which I have a couple of, you know. So I made this for her. So far, like I said, so far she's been pretty good at keeping this car on four wheels. Like I said, I think it was maybe one time she went in the grass and it flipped in the grass once. Outside of that, she's been great with this car. But yeah, so we plan on going this weekend to have her take it out for a spin again. She hasn't driven in a while, so I might bring my drag slash as well, and then we're just gonna go out and have fun. I'll see if I can get some footages of her actually driving it, because so that you guys know that I'm not lying. And this is not just for me. This is actually for my wife. This is my wife's car, so I'll have some videos of her driving it.